I'm so bored. What shall I do? I have the perfect plan. I'm gonna install Barney on my dad's computer. Ha 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 ha! Alright, now let's turn on the computer. 10 minutes later. Yes! I finally did it. Yay!
We interrupt your computer session with a Barney error. Barney was killed by Ryan. Ryan put a bomb in Barney's lair and the bomb will explode in 64 hours.
I need to finish my document for work tomorrow otherwise. Hey, who did this? I'll just use Plotagon logic to remove it. Plotagon logic activity equals remove Barney error.exe. Now time to find out who did this. I'm not gonna guess because playtime, because she would never do such a thing. Baldi, come here. Right now. Yes dad, what do, you, want? Did you install Barney on my computer? Tell me the truth and don't even think about lying. As a matter of fact, yes, I did. Meet me in the living room. Baldi, how dare you install Barney on my computer? I was lucky that I removed it by using Plotagon logic. That's it. You're grounded for 363747746444748383883839292991929288282828282288228822882288 years. Go to your room and never come out. Washington.